Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and see my screen. So I'd like us to start off analysis with the chart on my screen. I'd like us to start off with the Euro USD. So on this chart, we've had price continue to move to the lower side. We had a very good support level here. So we had a support. It is actually a zone. We had a support here. We have a support here. We have the same place being a support. The price went below everything. So as it is right now, we do expect the price to pull back to the upper side, at least up to somewhere around 1.09288 or 1.09102. If the price can pull back upwards and touch this zone, this should be a good place to look for a sell from. We will expect that the sellers will push price to the lower side, at least up to around 1.08332. So in case the price does not do as I'm saying, that is, if the price moves up and ends up breaking above this zone, then it will be a good sign that the buyers are now in control, and we may see a move to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So technically speaking, we have a very good sell opportunity here. We have a sell opportunity here. If this level is broken, the next zone is this one. If this is broken, we have our next target at this price, and the last one is the one we have at the very top, which is 1.12752. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart I want us to look at is GBP USD. So with the GBP so far, we have a very good support here. We have another one here. We have a support, there is a break below. We have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and a resistance here. So if the price should pull back up and touch this line 1.27877, then this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So we'll be expecting that the sellers will push us downwards up to around 1.26160. If this level is broken, expect the price to continue even lower. So that is my opinion there. The next chart is US dollar Japanese yen. We have a very good uptrend. So on this chart, basically we do expect that the buyers will continue to push price to the upper side. We are going to use an indicator for analysis. We'll use this indicator. So as you can see, we have a bullish break of structure, sorry. We had a bullish break of structure here. We had another one here, and we have another one at the very top here. So if the price should break and close above 146.423, then that should be a good place to continue to look for buy positions from. We just want to see what happens when the price ascends above this line. We want to see a retracement back towards the same level to mean that the price is now continuing to the upper side. So that is my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I'd like us to have a look at, I want us to look at the SP500. With the SP500 so far, we are in a very good downtrend. So we've had several bearish break of structure. We had the first one here. We had another break of structure here. We had another bearish break of structure here. We had another one here, and we had another one here. So if the price should go down and break and close below this line 4335.1, then that will be a good sign that we're now continuing to the lower side. So if the price descends below this point, expect a continuation to the lower side. The next chart is gold. On gold also we are bearish. So you can see from this point, we had only one bullish break of structure here. We had a bearish break of structure here. We had a bearish break of structure. We had another one, bearish break of structure. This another one, another one, another one, another one, and another one here. So as it is now, we are continuing to the lower side. We are looking for sell positions on this chart. We do expect that the sellers will break and close below this line around 1885.25. If that happens, that will be a good sign that the sellers are now in control. So we keep looking for sell orders as long as the price is held below 1884.80. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart is Bitcoin. With Bitcoin so far, on the daily time frame, we are inside a range. So we have a very good support level here. This is the only place where if the price does not break and close below it, this will give us a good place to look for a buy from. So we have a support, there is a break below, a resistance, a break above, we have a support, and we have a support here. So this right here is a good place to look for a buy from. We'll be looking for a buy order within this line, expecting that the buyers will push us upwards, at least up to somewhere around this area here. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we expect the same place to be a resistance if the price goes up and touches it. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.